Alright, let's check it out. Getting the fence put up finally. Got a competent crew. Finished this work. All the wood's about used. Oh yeah, we got a fence now, baby. Nice and high. It looks good. That looks real good. Liking what I'm seeing. Pavers. Okay. Little gappy under here. Spots. The old posts were. Yeah, it looks good. It looks good. We got more yard, backyard, and fence back here than it originally was to put all these bedroom windows behind the fence. They're more protected. But yeah, this looks really nice. The yard compared to what it used to look like. It definitely adds curb appeal and pop to the house. And I help with our resale value when it comes down to that. But yeah, this looks good. This looks good. Yes, sir. Y'all guys looking right.
Huh?
So y'all guys looking right. Who runs the operation?
Me and my brother.
You and your brother?
But he got a fence company. That's my brother too. He got a fence company.
Okay.
I got another brother. He got his own fence company.
Oh, so y'all, that's just family business,
Yeah,
huh?
my dad left us.
Oh, okay, okay. So what's the name of y'all's business?
Me and Kevin is R&K.
R&K.
That's my brother Kevin.
Okay.
And then here's his what was the name of the fence company? McFarlin fence company.
Farland?
McFarlin.
McFarlin.
And then
Okay.
my other brother's HD.
HD. HD.
He named that after his grandkids.
So y'all got 3 brothers,
Four brothers.
four brothers? Okay.
And
Okay.
3 different fence companies.
Oh wow, okay. So what was this done under? Or is it just a
It's
common?
R&K.
R&K, okay.
That's the one that
Y'all got a website or any contact information?
Yeah, we got a website and all that. I got cards and everything.
Well, let the people know, because I do a YouTube channel.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you want me to get the card or just tell you?
You both. Actually got one of your cards somewhere.
Yeah, it's R&K Custom Fence.
R&K
and,
Custom Fence.
40 years of service.
Okay.
And get your fences needs.
Okay.
Do your fences needs.
Y'all boys came.
Wrought iron, chain link, wood, whatever.
Okay. I got some small fencing at my house I need done and a new gate rebuilt. I'm gonna get at y'all for that. I live on the southwest side.
Okay.
So compared to what we had up before,
It wasn't right.
it wasn't right. So I'm glad my brother ran into y'all and
Yeah.
who was it? Kevin hooked it up.
Shelton.
Yeah, Kevin Shelton hooked it up with
Yeah, we do all his fence work.
yeah.
Now, he ran into the same problem.
Oh,
Yeah, then he came and got us.
came and got y'all. So yeah, y'all do it right. It looks good. And so what's the website?
It still don't have that link on these cards.
Okay.
But I can tell you what it is though.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, no link on there, but it's okay. They can see this.
Yeah.
And then, all right. So y'all based off of England Street right around the corner?
That's my house. Right in front of the property where Kevin did those townhouses in the house at.
Oh, that's crazy. So how long you lived over there?
I've been in the neighborhood I'm 53 years old.
Okay. So you know the Arceniegos that lived over there?
Yeah, on the street, yeah.
My best friend was Manny. Yeah, that was my best friend in high school.
Manny is my brother Kevin age.
Okay. Yeah. And Rick was his older brother, and Lisa and Marty, all them. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
We grew up over here.
That's what's up. Let me get a little bit of him on the video. What's up, my man?
Hey, how you?
All right, pretty good. I'm just doing it for my YouTube channel, letting these people know where they can get some quality fence work in. Are you in part of RK or you got your own?
Well, I have my own, but
Okay.
we all help each other.
Y'all brothers, so y'all do it together. Okay.
Yeah.
So what's the name of your
I'm McFarlin.
McFarlin. Okay,
Yes, sir.
McFarlin Fence. Okay. And how can people get in contact with you?
832-202-5549. Marvin McFarlin.
Okay. And you got a website or anything?
I just have my Gmail. Send stuff to Marvin McFarlin.
Okay.
7@gmail.com.
All right. Well, I appreciate y'all boys getting us squared away, man, because that wasn't working what we had going on before, man. You know.
You know, he tried.
He tried.
Yeah.
Very little, but you know.
But
yeah.
you know, we pay for what we don't know. So
That is true.
it's a good thing y'all know people that guide y'all to the right direction.
Right.
You know?
So are our fence lines gonna match up, or is it gonna be a little bit higher on this side?
Well, all your fence gonna match.
Right.
Yeah. But
I'm talking about the gate. I'm sorry, not the fence.
your gate gonna match your fence.
Okay.
It ain't gonna match theirs.
Oh, okay. It's
Yeah,
gonna be
y'all
higher.
gonna be a little higher than
Okay.
theirs.
Okay. Which is fine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So your fence probably gonna be like your gate gonna be 6.5 feet high.
Oh, okay. Because I see that board is a lot higher than the other one.
Exactly.
Okay. All right.
Yeah. So you ain't gonna have the bottom board on the bottom of the fence, but you're gonna have it on the side. So when it ain't open, you're gonna have fully operation.
Okay. All right. That's cool. That's cool. Well, y'all guys looking good, man. We do appreciate that, man. Yeah. Y'all came and knocked this out quick too. So.
Yeah. I mean, this ain't no fly by night, man. We was raised doing this shit.
Right.
We was old enough to understand. You was old enough to get on that truck.
That's how my old man used to have us working, man.
You
Back.
get it.
Yeah. He put us to work. I'm like, hey, man, you know.
But I thank God because it's still feeding us to this day.
Hey, amen to that, my brother.
So it
For
was
sure.
a trade took it. You know,
Right.
I'm glad we all learned it.
Right.
We're showing our friends how to do it. You know, we got guys out the neighborhood.
Yeah.
Just trying to give back.
Yeah, I was telling him, man. I saw on the car he had an England Street. My best friends. Yeah, Manny, the Arsenegas.
What in they're Hispanic?
Rick, and Lisa, and
oh yeah, Rick them on England.
Yeah. Half black, half Hispanic.
Right.
Yeah. I went to high school. Yeah.
Him and his sister. Yeah, well they grew up with them. I was younger than them.
Okay. Yeah, Manny was the youngest son, and then Marty was the youngest. Yeah, the youngest of all. But yeah, so I saw him. I said, "Dang, England, okay, for sure."
I'm on Foster, a couple streets from there. We grew up in this neighborhood.
Oh yeah, for sure. Huh? Yeah, we matter of fact, we rode a couple of weeks ago on that Thursday, the bike thing, the Clutch City Cruisers.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so we still talk. Bicycles. Yeah, pedal bikes.
Okay.
Yeah. Every Thursday they meet up at a park downtown. And they ride around the city, go pub hopping and
Yeah.
Okay.
There used to be a gang of them too.
Yeah, there's a lot. I mean, I think every week is more people. I haven't had a chance in a little while just because I've been messing with this.
Oh, it's exciting. They be having coolers and everything.
Yeah.
Rolling, man.
People had speakers and stuff. Yeah, behind their bikes.
Lights.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's nice.
Cool. Well, I appreciate y'all getting this squared away, man.
Thank y'all for choosing us.
Yeah, man, and y'all didn't pussyfoot with it and didn't let the weather hinder you or nothing. So
gotta try to get it up.
Yeah.
Closed in, that's the goal, to close it in.
Yeah, because we were a little nervous about having the butt, the ass out in the back in the alleyway.
Walk right in there.
Yeah, so thank God y'all got it done before anything happened.
Yeah, a couple more hours, y'all be all the way complete.
Cool. All right, well, appreciate you.
Thank you, man. I so appreciate you.
And I'll let y'all know when I get it up. I'll shoot y'all the link.
Okay.
Okay, cool.
I'm glad to see it. And this is just like a start for us,
Okay.
You know, we don't. I work in the plants. I told your brother I work in the plants. I work with Zachary.
Okay.
Performance. Turner.
Okay.
I worked in all the plants.
Okay.
I sent 3 of my daughters to college through the plants.
Okay. So, is it downtown right now in the plants, or are you just?
Well, they laid me off.
Oh, okay. I didn't know.
I've been laid off about a year and 8 months. I've been going on the clock.
Okay. Yeah, me too.
I've been going on the clock that long.
All right. Okay.
But I do this.
Yeah.
Inside.
I got.
A hot shot truck. That truck you see in the street.
Oh yeah.
Hot shot too.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, man. Old governor done fucked up the money now.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, he's trying to take it back. Really.
Yeah. I don't think there's no trying. He gonna do it. We got like 2 more payments. And that's it. Hold on. I ain't gonna put that up. I just want to get this fence one more last time. Yeah, that looks good though. Then you'll put the hinges, then they'll cut it.
Yeah. Get the saws out, cut them nails, and it should swing right over.
Nice.
sagging. See, that's why we normally set 2 poles.
Two poles, yeah, poles.
Give it that support. But if he tied in like that, it should,
yeah, okay.
it should support.
Okay.
Let me,
backside fence. Brace it. Okay.
Yeah, because see, every time you close it, watch what it do. It'll move on it.
Okay.
It needs to be stationary.
Okay.
Once you get a little L bracket, screw to that and to the back of that 4x4, keep it from moving.
Okay.
It's not screwed to the wall. Yeah, you know, there ain't nothing to hold that pole, just that wall.
Okay.
So if we get a little bracket, I used to have them. Because all you need is some little screws if you want to.
Y'all gonna come back and do that, or
yeah,
so we
get the bracket.
Okay, we get the bracket. Okay.
Yeah, a little L-shaped bracket.
Okay.
I'll come back and do that. And
do I need to buy you? You get it. Just invoice
it's
us.
a bracket. I can get it from a snap around the corner.
Okay. All right. All right. Cause I know exactly what you're saying, but like I might get the wrong one, and then you'll be like, oh no.
It don't have to be big, just enough to come see right here.
Yeah, I get the principle. Just kind of tie it to the house.
Yeah, right here on this 2x40 here, and that's gonna keep it from doing all that.
Keeping all that wobbly wibbly.
Yes,
You think it need more than one bracket?
No,
Just one?
Just top or pull it back.
Okay. Okay. Okay, cool. I appreciate you, man. It's wide. That's good enough, man. That's good enough. Y'all, we ain't gonna trip over that.
Oh, man, I don't see I did back him up some.
Well,
really, actually, I don't.
you let it do. That's gonna work.
Well, I'm telling you. You can't see nothing through that, no way.
Yeah, as long as you can't sit through that, that's the main thing. I don't care if somebody down there peeping, they can, you know. Yeah, that's good enough.
We're just trying to give it the edge off the house. You know?
Yeah.
Shut up, T.
Y'all are funny. Old man used to say, that's close enough for government work. Good enough for government work. Actually, my grandpa, but yeah. That'll work. That's all we got to complain about. Y'all, that ain't. That's all. If that's the only thing we can nitpick about, that ain't.